I'm Kathy Webster with IMTS TV. We've heard there's some interesting things to see in the West Hall. Let's go find out what they are. Are we in a zoo or are we at IMTS 2016? I'm in the exciting gorilla booth with gorillas, and here is the president, Kevin Krinker, to tell us a little bit about these gorillas. Kevin, tell us about your company and these gorillas.
We're out of Wisconsin, and the Gorilla Mill came about when Mark and I decided that we wanted to make an end mill to go national with. We wanted to have fun doing it, and we messed with a number of different names for the tool, but finally settled on Gorilla Mill, and when we did, we decided, you know what, if we're not going to have fun doing this, there's no reason not to do it. So the Gorilla Mill came about, and then from there we came up with the Sasquatch and the Baboon and the Chimps, and we just continue to keep having fun with the names. So.
And those are all product names of your pieces?
Right, yeah.
Okay.
It's very memorable to people.
It is. It's attracted a lot of people. How's business been?
We are beyond busy, expanding like crazy, getting ready to take it overseas. Our building's expanding 3 times its size, and we've had a pretty decent show. It seems like the business is, or at least the leads here at the show this year, much more qualified and much better focused than the usual shows where you might get a large volume of them, but these are much better, much more qualified leads here this year.
I know Peter Edelman, the vice president of exhibitions and the guy in charge of IMTS, is going to feel really good about the quality of the visitors you've had.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, and we also have the patent holder, Mark Greenwood. Thank you. Mark. Okay, tell us a little bit more about Gorilla.
It's our geometries and all the little things that we put into our product. You know, there's a lot of end mill companies out there and they do a good job. We do a lot of little things that separate us from our competition. Not just all that, but Kevin said it very well. We have fun every time we get into very large shops, very small shops. It has been a pleasant journey so far, 10 years. And our geometries, our coating companies, our substrate companies, we're all working very close together to just stay steps ahead of our competition. I think that we don't stop. We're creating new product right at this time to even better ourselves. And as Kevin said, we have to expand the building. We have our crew back at the plant is bar none the best team we've had in a long time. So it's not just making a good end mill, it's the plant and all of the people that are there, and our direct guys on the outside that are running around this country. So it's been a beautiful and wonderful, and we're blessed, journey.
That is so great to hear. Gorilla Mill attracting the attendees and making a difference in the manufacturing industry. A little farther down from the gorillas, I ran into this guy at NTK Tools. What's your name? Sebastian. It's his first time. And, oh, he's featuring orthopedic implant screws. Wow, they're really colorful, almost like jewelry. They're so nice. Green, blue, really high tech. What's that? NTK makes really high tech machine tools to make these incredible implants that are helping people all over the world. Well, it's been a whirlwind of fun with you, Sebastian. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Down the hall, I ran into this little marmot from Bavaria, Germany. He's the mascot for Haimer, a manufacturing work holding company. And here's Marissa to introduce Haimer.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you, Marissa, for being here. Tell us about this little guy.
This little guy is a marmot, as you said before. We're from Haimer, and Haimer is located in Bavaria. To be precise, it's in Egenhausen in Germany. And in Bavaria, we have some Alps. This little guy comes from the Alps, and he yodels.
Let's hear that. Oh, that's so great. Have you been handing a lot of these out?
We've been handing a lot of these out. Everyone loves them.
And tell us why you're handing them out.
Well, we have a little bit of a contest going on social media. We have it on our Facebook and Twitter pages. What we're doing is we have this little guy at our booth. You pick one of them up, you take a picture of him anywhere here or anywhere around in Chicago, and you upload him to Facebook and Twitter, and you use the hashtag Haimer IMTS 2016. The most creative photo will win a GoPro. Check out our Facebook and Twitter pages and use the hashtag. You can see some of the creative photos that some of our fans have come up with.
What's the best one so far? Like the best place you've seen him?
Oh, there's a lot of funny ones. I've seen him lounging out in a little martini glass filled with little candies. It was too funny.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you, Marissa, and thank you, Little Marmot. We appreciate you being here. Hey, and that's what's happened at the Haimer booth. Woo-wee! Look at this. I just passed a brand new GT Mustang with a pretty powerful engine, and here's Mike Pace from Mitsubishi Materials to tell us more about why this Mustang is on this floor. Hi, Mike.
Hi, Kathy.
So tell us, why is this Mustang here?
Well, our partner Roush Yates Engines this week was in our booth building an engine for the Ford GT, and they brought along this nice Mustang for us to raffle off to one of our customers. And on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had raffles available for our customers to visit the booth. And on Thursday at 2 o'clock, we drew a winner.
That's so exciting. One of your customers won this Mustang?
They want to come back and pick it up, but I think we're just going to deliver it.
Wow. And tell us, who are your customers?
Most of our customers are machining some type of products, aerospace related, medical, automotive, and just about every industry that cuts or machines metal.
And do you raffle off a vehicle at every IMTS?
This was our first, and I'm hoping we'll do another one soon.
Thank you so much, Mike.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, and there you have it, the details on why this Mustang's here, and a lucky customer actually won this, and they're going to deliver it to his house. Wait a minute. What was his reaction when he found out he won?
He could not believe it.
I bet that was such an exciting time. Okay, thank you so much. Well, we found Lady Liberty down here in the Riten Industries booth, and here's Mitchell Kirby to tell us why Lady Liberty is in your booth.
Well, we used Lady Liberty because we wanted something that would represent American jobs and American craftsmanship, and we've been an American company since 1933. The other thing that also works for us is one of the products that we manufacture is called a live center, and the shape of it is very much similar to a torch. So Lady Liberty standing there holding a torch, it was very easy to take that and change it to Lady Liberty holding one of our live centers with our logo on the live center itself. So we also took there's a famous quote on the statue about people being free, and we reworded that to say something about the fact that give us your tired, your poor, your rusty live centers yearning to turn free. So it was a takeoff on that, and we do a lot of repair work, so we use that as well.
Excellent. And has that garnered a lot of attention for your booth?
Yes, well, and certainly you're standing here asking me about it, so it's certainly garnered a lot of attention for the booth. So it's we've used the statue now, I think, for 3 or 4 IMTS shows. So.
Oh, really? And what else do you guys sell?
Well, we're in what's called work holding. Obviously, we're in the work holding pavilion. So live centers and dead centers and face drivers and custom work holding are all tools that are used to support the part that the customer is manufacturing. So if you're a customer and you make drive shafts, power transmission shafts, pistons, basically motor shafts, any shaft shape, propeller shafts for the maritime shipyard industry, our tools then are used to support those products in the machine while they're being manufactured.
Thank you so much, Mitchell.
You're welcome.
And there you have it, the Statue of Liberty holding one of Riten Industries' products. And there you have it, where the wild things are, in the West Hall, helping to sell advanced manufacturing technology. I'm Kathy Webster at IMTS 2016.